definitely a noisy kid. And, you know, people like to move their body. It's great. It's difficult. Traveling can be difficult, but we love what we do.
No, we're probably going to get in trouble for this.
Give me this one. Not much resonance. This one is a bit of a note, so I'm taking those two. Coming to the show night after night, you're going to see a slightly different show because the cast changes. Get it? Stuff. Get it. We don't know every note we're playing, but there's definitely an A section, a B section, a C section. A lot of drummers, a lot of dancers, and then some comedians and some actors, and that's why the show keeps going. There's something for everybody. See, with this, I got a little snare. I'm gonna play left.